again, that was a British fighter during World War II. Here comes the A-26 again from the right. Going to give you another demonstration. This little fighter could really move along. It's very, very fast for a bomber airplane. T6 or A-26. Some of those get up pretty good speed. Between two airplanes in terms of engine and etc. Although the Yak-18, which has a square-off tail, only has about 300 horsepower, whereas the Yak-52 surprise for you. Goes through here. Crosses that slowly. Kind of see this smoke trail up here from the Red Star Mines. One of the reasons why I don't like Black River, real close. Comes A-26 for a great photo opportunity. Look at this, all laid out. Snap, 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 all down the line.
Make sure you get these guys.
Here it comes from the left again. Got a nice dive down low, got a lot of speed. Pull back on the stick, take it over the air, and let's go. Humpty bump. Get it back down towards the ground. Hit the line in the blue cabin. Here comes up together.
They will reposition and do what is called a
before he gets the touchdown. Kick it out straight. And back on the ground. Kirby would like to thank his sponsors, Red Bull, Go Pro.
There you see his smoke. She's in the white smoke with the airplane. That's her husband flying his body up ahead of her. And there she goes, barrel rolling around his smoke. Notice how he is flying through the air. Normally when you jump out of an airplane without a parachute, you're going to go down. But because of those wings between his arms and his ankles, he's flying his body through the air.
At 2,300 feet, Rex will deploy a parachute, and then Melissa will circle him as he spirals down to the ground. Right now, he's having way too much fun flying around up there.
There comes his chute.
He can hear you right now. How about letting Rex Pemberton know what you think? And a perfect showing them by example. There's no dream that's too large, and nothing is impossible. She's flying the Edge 540. This is basically the same airplane you saw Kirby flying just a little bit ago. The airspeed building once again. Gets a maximum speed of about 265 miles an hour out of this airplane. Pushes out over the top on another 45-degree angle. Come back down. Really hard pull around that turn there. That's a tough turn to make. A lot of G's in there because of the speed she had. She's going to take it up out front here again on the right side. And just push out over the top, inverted. Head down, feet up. 1, 2, on the way down. Roll back the other way, just to get her head on line. Wings providing very, very little lift right there. That's the reason she holds it at that kind of an angle.
If I get up, I never fall back down again. So let's get up, come on. If I get up, I never fall back down again.
The car started landing a little while ago. A lot of people think, well, if you're in an airplane, and a propeller airplane especially, and the engine stops, that you're really in big, big trouble. Ahead and to the left is Kent Peach showing you an airplane can still fly after the engine stops. Rolls-Royce Merlin Packard P-51 Mustang.